a taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanell Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this amazingly delicious Kelewele spice. Now this recipe is so simple, very easy to make, and super quick. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good, let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so here I have some diced onions, chopped up ginger, some roasted chilies, and for my spices today I have Calabash nutmeg, the one ingredient that gives you that authentic Ghanaian street style effect. I also have some grains of Selim, cloves, some black peppercorns, and of course some salt. Let's get started. As always, we'll begin by toasting our spices and chilies to make them more fragrant and also potent, but be sure to not burn it, because if you do, you will have that bitter aftertaste and you do not want that to happen. Okay, once fragrant, get it off the heat source, transfer onto a plate and allow it to air out and cool completely. Now in a spice grinder, or really any blender of choice, you add your toasted spices, then your ginger, as well as your onions. Add a little bit of salt to that. What I added was way too much, but add to your taste, okay? Cover this up and give this a very rough blend. You want your texture to be just like this, okay? This is perfect. You don't want it to be too smooth because you want to see your spices sticking onto your plantains for that, street style Kelewele kind of effect. And just like that, our Kelewele spice is ready in just under 5 minutes. Super simple, very quick, very easy. So let's fry some Kelewele now, shall we? You can store this in your refrigerator for up to 6 months and in your freezer for as long as you want to, okay? If you're like me and you enjoy eating your Kelewele every other day, this is a life-saving hack for you, okay? You're welcome. It smells amazing. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself, because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. Until I see you next time,